In this video, I'll show you how to use Claude AI with Google Drive integration. This is a powerful way to access, analyze, and work with your files directly inside Claude. To begin, I'll make sure I'm already logged into my Claude account and on the main Claude screen. Next, I'll connect my Google Drive to Claude, if it's not already connected. I'll look for the option to add or connect integrations, then select Google Drive and follow the prompts to automate access. Once connected, I'll go back to the main chat screen. Now I'll click inside the message box in the center of the screen, where Claude asks, "How can I help you today?" I can now ask Claude to work with files from my Google Drive. For example, I might type, "Analyze my sales spreadsheet from Google Drive and summarize the key insights." After typing the prompt, I'll click the Send button. Claude will access the file, process the data, and generate a summary or analysis. If I want better results, I can be more specific in my prompt, such as mentioning the file name, type of analysis, or output format. For example, I might type, "Summarize monthly revenue trends from my Google Sheets file and highlight top performing products." Claude can also help edit documents, extract information, and reorganize content from files stored in Google Drive. If needed, I can ask Claude to compare multiple files or generate reports based on the data. Once the results are ready, I can copy them or use them to update my documents and workflows. And that's it. I've successfully used Claude AI with Google Drive integration. If you found this tutorial helpful, please consider liking the video and subscribing for more quick AI tutorials and guides.